Ocean.
Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Sal here, coming back with another video. I'm here with Joe and Danjo. We're in Alameda. We're here at the sneaker shop right here that we're gonna go legit check my sneakers I have. Make sure they're real, and because I have a feeling they're fake. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, see you guys in there if they let us record. Alright guys, so we just came out of that sneaker shop. They have some pretty dope sneakers in there. But yeah, so the guy said that they're legit. So legit. I'm happy because I thought they were fake. But yeah.
He gave Sal a huge lecture.
Let that smooth it out. Let that smooth it out, bro. Let what decide. Let that.
You're so ugly.
I mean.
Okay, guys. So we're going to go to this place in San Jose. It's called the Burger Bar. I look hella bad right now. It's an hour away. It's hella good. I like it. Like if you're from San Jose, you know what it is. But we're just gonna. I'm gonna have these guys check it out. So that's what we're doing.
Are we gonna
Alright guys, so we made it to this burger spot in San Jose where we're gonna eat. But yeah, let's just try it out and see how good it is. Joe said it's pretty good, so yep. Alright guys, I just ordered a cheeseburger. I'm not that hungry. But they got like a bag of burgers. Like they got like, it's like you order one bag of burgers and it's like 5 burgers, I guess.
But yeah, they didn't read the heels. Sal and Danjo only look at the first 2 items. They didn't see everything else on the menu.
Yeah, but yeah, I just got one cheeseburger because I'm not that hungry. So that should be good. And then I'll just eat something at home. Seems like a pretty chill little burger spot.
What's going between
everyone
a little
in San
diner.
Jose knows.
Yeah, I guess everyone in San Jose knows about this place. It's pretty popular, I guess. It's been a pretty chill day, guys, but I don't know, we'll see what we do next. I think we're just gonna go back to I think we're just gonna go back home and see what we do. I don't know.
Okay guys, so Sal and Danjo only looked at the first 2 items. They didn't look at everything else. I can't get to like clear up, but they were only looking at the top 2 for some reason. And they thought that was the only things there.
No way.
You guys. Dude. Bro, you broke his car.
No fucking
Danny,
way.
you broke Sal's car. Oh my God. You broke Sal's car. Sal was freaking out. You broke his car.
Did I
bro.
broke a car?
You broke his car.
For real?
I mean, it wasn't starting when you got home.
Danny, you hella big, bro.
Get the fuck out, dude. Get the fuck out.
Bro. Sal, bro. Is your car good?
Alright guys, so it's the next day. I forgot to record my outro for this video yesterday, but it's okay because I'm doing it now. Better late than never, right? Just make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of me, and if you like this video, of course. But yeah, make sure to watch my other videos maybe. If you didn't like that video, maybe you'll like those. Just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure to smash that notification bell if you want to be notified the second I upload a new video. Because who doesn't want to be notified the second I upload a new banger video? But yeah, it's been your boy Sal. I'm out. Peace.